Do you want to stop sharing your Instagram stories on Facebook? So don't worry, you are on the right place because in this video I'm just going to teach you how you can stop sharing your Instagram stories on Facebook. So let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all, open up your Instagram account and then just click on your story to make a story, and then after that just select any of the video uploaded to make, and then just click on this arrow, and then after that here you see your story, and down below you see and Facebook story. Just click on at that option, just click on don't share this time. You will just not share your story on the Facebook this time. If you set it by default, so just go back and go to your profile and click on these three lines, and after that just go to your settings and privacy, and then scroll down until you see the option sharing and remixes. Click on it and then scroll down again and until here you see the option share story to Facebook. What you all have to do is just turn off this option, so it will not share your story to the Facebook. So that is how you can stop sharing your Instagram stories on Facebook.